welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have my first ever prom look, and this is what I created today. It's a silver cut crease, full-on cut crease, and I show you guys two lip options. Either you can go with this one or you could do a bold red lip, but I also did show you some tips and tricks on how to do your makeup to last the whole night, through the dancing, through the partying, through everything, guys. So if you guys want to know how I created this makeup look, and then just keep on watching. I already did this eye off camera because I kind of wanted to play around to see how it would actually turn out. I really like it. I feel like it goes perfect with any prom look, honestly. Any type of silver dress that you guys want to do, or any silver that you want to cooperate with your makeup. I am going to be doing other prom makeup looks, so leave me down in the comment section any type of color you want me to do, or glitter. I am probably gonna do like a gold glitter because I usually wear more gold glitter than silver glitter, so that's why I had to play around with it first just to kind of see how I would do. But I mean, I like it. Today's eye look, I went in with my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia palette. I haven't used this in a while and it's so beat up, like this thing's about to fall off. What I'm first going to start off is going in with a burnt orange right in here, and I'm going to be grabbing just a fluffy brush and just putting that to our crease as our transition shade. And since we are doing a full-on cut crease, we have to wing it out a little bit, so you can be as dramatic as you want, honestly, because we don't have a base on. And we can just go in and clean it up afterwards. And this brush is the M513 brush. And I really just like to blend that into my crease. If my eyebrow hairs like go down, it's because I haven't set them yet. So shade we're gonna go in is with Red Orchid, which is like this like burgundy color, and we're gonna be applying that with a M441 brush. We're just going to apply that to create a little dimension and a little more redness to the eye. I wanted to do something like red with silver because I want to do like a red lip, guys. Like, I'm telling you, I'm going hella extra for this video. Just gonna start building up that shadow, and just remember, always bring it outwards, wing it out, and just make sure everything is well blended. Take your time going with a clean fluffy brush, well, half clean because I already went in with this eye, and just blend out any harsh edges. Go in with this really precise Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with Cyrus Umber or Umber. It's like a brown shade. It's a very dark brown, so slightly, and this is like pigmented, guys. Like, you can just dip your brush in and like a bunch of product goes on the brush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of dimension with this brown and just blend it out lightly. I like to just tap in the product and then go in with my fluffy brush and just blend everything out. I have three options I can show you guys for silver glitters. So the first one is this NYX roll-on shimmer, and it looks like that. It literally is like a roll-on shimmer, and this is what I used first, but I literally just went in like this, like, and applied it, and then I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna stick, like, and I literally went with my brush to just clean out the excess, and it's like, it's just laying on there. So you're gonna have to put glitter glue on, which I have, if I can find it. I have like a mess in my vanity because I was just trying like a bunch of stuff out. But okay, so the glitter glue that I have is like the glitter primer by e.l.f., and it looks like this. So I'm gonna have to literally put this on like this eye because I don't want it to look different. But my second option would be the Stila glitters, and this one just looks like this, and this one is in shade Diamond Dust. I love these. These are not messy whatsoever. I just honestly, if I had the choice, I would just use this, but I have to just apply it like I did to the other one. And lastly, it's the NYX Liquid Crystal Glitter, and this one is in 107. I honestly love this to really getting like on top of like right here, like my crease, to kind of get like an outline. So I did do that. So I'm gonna have to use this first. Grab some of this glue and I just put it in the back of my hand with a flat brush. This one is from Sephora. It's the concealer brush. So basically I lay down the glue and then I pick up the roller one and I just apply the glitter. I mean, like, don't get me wrong, it's so pretty once you apply the glue, but like it's so messy. So I'm gonna grab my Stila one. It's like a bunch of steps, guys, but I'm telling you, just avoid everything and just use the Stila ones. And I'm just going to put some on, obviously, on top of that, and just kind of set it. I feel like this kind of just helped the other roller one set. That's how it's going to look like. I know it's crazy, but I'm gonna go in with my NYX one and just fill in any like blank spaces that don't have glitter. Because I just want the glitter to really dry. I like to go in with my liner, and now like I have to match this liner up to on this side, which this liner came out like bomb. Like, yes, I did that. London Double Decker mascara. I've been loving this. I featured this on my BoxyCharm like last month, and like I really have been loving this. Lashes today, guess what, guys? I'm not gonna be using Dodo lashes. Like, what? So I am gonna go in with like one of my favorite ones that I used to go in with all the time, and these were by Vegas Nay in Shining Star. They're like all messed up, but these ones are in the purple case. My lashes are getting tacky. I am going to go in with primer. Is the Wet n Wild primer. You guys hear me talking about this all the time, and I love this primer. It's like perfect for every skin type, oily combination. I use this so much and it makes my foundation look flawless, smooth. My foundation I recommend for prom night, for any type of occasion. If you have seen my top favorite 5 foundations, I love the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I definitely recommend this foundation for prom night. It's super full coverage, and like it passed like the whole flash test. So when we take pictures, you know how sometimes you can look really washed out. With this one you don't, and I really love this. So I'm gonna shake it up a little, and I'm gonna be using the shade 00 Light Natural, a tiny bit. So I'm gonna go in with my sponge, and this one, like I said, is super full coverage. Like, yes. Concealer. So just like I said, I'm going to go in with my Age Rewind concealer. Now I'm going to have to any minute now. Oh wow, this concealer, oh my god, I forgot how like amazing this was. It's so full coverage. So quickly I'm going to set this with my Airspun powder. Now this Now this powder is like key to prom, key to any event. This powder has no flashback. Of course you can use your Laura Mercier if you guys have it, or any powder that you guys go off by. I'm gonna bronze up a little and bring some color back. I am looking a little washed out, so I'm going to use my butter bronzer. Like I said, this one is in deep bronze. Oh my god, I love the way it smells. Now I'm kind of scared, but we'll see. Ooh, this is like the perfect bronzing shade. Okay, definitely Physicians Formula has to step their color selections off and create a more deep bronzer shade for my deep girls out there, because there ain't nothing deep, more deep than this shade. So, oh my gosh, I think I found like my perfect favorite bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee and grab this shade and just really define more of my cheekbones. Back with my powder, and I'm gonna cut my contour. I like my contour, like my cheeks, to be really snatched and like defined. We're gonna go in with Milani in Luminoso. This is my favorite shade of their blushes, and I just feel like it works with any type of eye makeup look, any. So I'm just gonna go in and just smile. Put some on our apples, our cheek. We're gonna jump into our lower lash line in orange and red orchid, and we're just gonna smoke it out. What is left is to apply some highlight, and first I'm going to go in with my Maro Badescu spray to really lock everything in and just set everything. I feel like after a while, if you put too much powders on your face might start feeling like cakey or just heavy on the skin, but this kind of just like refreshes your skin. And for highlight today, I'm going to be going with the LA Colors highlighter. This one just kind of fell off, but this one is literally in shade highlighter, like it doesn't have any shade name, and this is the one that I got from my local Dollar Tree, guys. Like, I know it's so amazing. I love this highlighter, so it's like perfect for like my paler girls. To finish everything off, I'm going to go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Now this setting spray, I've been raving about it ever since it came out, guys. It's so amazing. Like, it literally makes your makeup last the whole night. Probably, the one time I remember I did my makeup like early in the morning, and like I didn't come home until late at night, and my makeup was still like in place. So I definitely recommend you guys to grab this setting spray if you are going to a special event or prom, because it's literally gonna make your makeup lasts all day. Ooh, yes. For lips, it literally all depends on what you want to do. If you want your eyes to really pop out, then I prefer you guys go for like a nude lip, but I just kind of want to go all out, and I kind of want to try this out. So this is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. It's like a really bright red, and this one is in shade Fight Free. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a true red. I have red lipstick on my teeth. How disgusting is that? Oh, it feels so creamy and so buttery. I Love it. My lips are stained from that lipstick, which I mean it's obvious. I think all of our lipsticks stain my lips, so we're just gonna ignore the fact. But we're gonna go in with Colourpop Beeper. It's like a nude pinky, but I'm gonna shimmer it down with Wet n Wild Nudie Patootie liquid catsuit. So I'm gonna go in with these two. The second option, it's like a dark nude. I didn't want to make it too light because I like how it kind of like blends in and like matches with my crease. Lip color is literally up to you guys, however you want. I showed you two lip combos. Now if it literally depends if you want to go with the red or if you want to go with like the nude, a dark nude. With that being said, this is it for my first ever prom makeup look. I really hope you guys like it. I try to make it extra as I could. I had so much fun creating this look. I cannot wait for makeup number two. So if you guys are excited for that, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It would mean the world to me, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye babes.